Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just posted this eyeglass wear case on Epilogue's Facebook page, and there's more that can be done to it. I'm going to make another one and line it with felt before I put it together, or at least the front and back side, and somehow figure out how to do that, but that'll be easy. And I posted this on Epilogue's Facebook page, and I just made a video yesterday about how to get there. You just go to Epilogue fan page and look at their file section, and it'll say glass case. But before you take this and cut it on a piece of plywood, 1/8 inch plywood, this has been made for 1/8 inch plywood. This piece is over 12 inches and over 8 inches wide. If by chance it doesn't work for you, you're going to waste a lot of wood. So what I would do, let's get these pictures out of the way. When you open this file, Control D and make a duplicate, and get that duplicate off your page. That way, in case you mess something up, you could go right back. So these two pieces match up, and I need to group these together. Control G. Evidently didn't get it all. These two pieces you don't need, so let's just delete them. You don't need this piece, and you don't need this piece. You need the two pieces that are going to match up. So this is the bottom, and then this is the front, and you can see where the pieces would fit inside each other. And you could test it, would just do that, but I like testing, and it was dead on this morning when I cut it out, but I did do a test. And then just make you a rectangle. Doesn't really matter where you put it. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete the bottom, and not really necessary, but you could go ahead and delete these two lines, and then you've got two pieces. So just remember they're not grouped together, so you need to grab them all to move them. So now you're working with a less than 1 1/4 inch worth of wood, and you didn't have to make it that big. You could make your rectangle. You only need a couple of teeth to make sure it fits. But that's how I would test my cuts before I take on a project like this, just to make sure I'm right. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.